Best affiliate programs of 2021, big payouts for beginners. Okay guys, this is part 3 of 3 in a series. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, there is going to be a link down in the description there. You can click there and go back and watch the other one. So basically what we're doing is we're going through the different affiliate programs. Now in this particular video here, I want to start off with health and beauty. Beauty is a huge market and there's all kinds of affiliate programs out there that you can join, and they're always looking for tutorials, that type of thing. So if you're doing some tutorials, if you're doing some makeup stuff, if you got videos, this is a perfect niche for you. Now you want to be careful and you want to check everything out really well, because the commissions can vary wildly from 2% to 10%. So try to pick something on the high side. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you the top affiliate ones that have a good payout and they have a good reputation behind them. So let's go over and check those out right now. Before we get going though, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified every single time I go live and you don't miss any videos. You also have to hit that like button down there. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Now let's check out some of these companies. Okay, the first one up here is Madison-Reed. Madison-Reed is actually a hair color company. My wife has used them in the past. They're very reputable. They pay a commission of $20 and your cookie duration is going to be 30 days. The other one, AVON. AVON's been around for a long time, but they do have a great affiliate program up to 10%, and the cookie duration is also 30 days. Also BEAUTYTAP, 7.5% plus bonuses, so you can get some bonus stuff here, and the cookie duration is 7 days. BH Cosmetics, 8% commission and 60 days. L'Occitane in Provence, okay, I hope I'm saying that one right, 2.5% commission and 45 days. Sephora, we've all seen them in the malls all over the place, shopping centers, 5 to 10%, 24-hour cookie duration. And ULTA Beauty, and those are huge, I know we have them all over town here in San Diego. They're paying a 2.5% and 30 days. Next area I want to cover is gaming. Gaming is huge. Now I'm not involved in gaming at all and I don't know anything about it, but I did research this for you guys because I know a lot of you are gamers out there and you want to make some money on this. Twitch is a huge one. Twitch is really huge, and all you really need on Twitch is 50 subscribers and 500 minutes of broadcast time. So if you have those two things, you can qualify. But I also want to go through some of the other gaming affiliate programs out there so you can have some other choices. Okay, so let's check out some of the other affiliate programs in gaming right now. First one I want to talk about is ASTRO Gaming. Their commission is 5% and the cookie duration is 180 days. The next one is Fanatical, commission 5%, cookie duration is going to be 90 days. G2 Deal, now it looks like they have all kinds of different softwares there. Commissions are 10 to 20%, which is much higher on software, and 3% on other products. Cookie duration is 30 days. We've all heard of this one, GameFly. Gosh, if you have a radio, you're going to hear an ad from them. The commission is $15 per trial sign up, and then 5% for new games and 10% for used games. Okay, let's now check out some of the music programs. You guys into music? You're gonna love these music affiliate programs are gonna make you a ton of money. Let's check them out. The first one I want to talk about is Guitar Center. Okay, Guitar Center is awesome. I know I've been there many times and I bought a lot of stuff there. Commission rate is 6%, cookie duration is 14 days. Next one up is Musician's Friend. They have a 4% commission rate, cookie duration of 14 days. Sam Ash, we've all heard of Sam Ash, right? 7 to 10%, which is not bad, in a cookie duration of 60 days. Singorama, you want to learn how to sing? This is the site for you. Check this out. 70% commission on instant downloads, 40% on shipped course, and cookie duration of 60 days. That's a pretty darn good program, guys. Next one is ZZOUNDS. It's a 6% commission plus bonuses, so you want to go to their site and check out what the bonuses are. Cookie duration is 45 days. Now the next area we want to get into is what? Crypto coin. Man, it's gotten so big now, everybody's into this crypto coin. So let's check out some ways to make money on crypto coin. I want to show you some of the sites and what they're going to pay you. Let's check it out. Now the first one is BINANCE referral program. So basically these are more referral programs than anything else. You're going to get paid once they go there and they sign up. Okay, so this particular one is going to give you a commission of 20% of the referrals, trade fees, 40% if holding 500 plus BNB, and the payout is in real time to Binance account, so you got to have an account there. Next one is going to be Coinbase, and it is also a referral program. When a user buys $100 of BTC, you receive $10 of BTC. The earning period is once per customer though. Ledger Wallet, another good one. Commission is 10% of the net sale amount, payout in BTC with 0.1 BTC minimum payout amount. Next one is LocalBitcoins, cool site. Commission is 20% of the user's trading fee per trade. Earning period 1 year from the user's registration date. That's pretty cool. Next one is TREZOR Wallet. TREZOR Wallet is going to pay you a flat 20% of the sales. Now let's check out another area that is huge, and that would be sporting goods. So let's check out sporting goods and see what we can earn there. Sports affiliate programs. Well, here's the deal. The sports industry is predicted to reach 73.5 billion in market value. So when you look at that and you look at some of these things and some of these big names that are involved, man, you want to get involved. Now the first one up is going to be Dick's Sporting Goods. Let's go over and check out Dick's Sporting Goods. Dick's Sporting Goods has a commission of 5% on average, and this is going to vary from product to product, but it's 5% on average. Cookie durations 10 days. Next one is DraftKings. DraftKings has, let's see here, 40% of the referrals net gaming revenue for the first 30 days, and then 25% on 31 days plus. Next one is Fanatics. Fanatics has a commission up to 10%. Cookie duration is going to be 7 days. Next one is FANDUEL. FANDUEL is going to pay you a $25 to $35 per sign up plus 35% rev share for referrals for the first 2 years. I mean, 2 years of getting a payment, that's pretty darn good. Sports memorabilia, that's our next one on the list here. Pretty cool site. Commission is going to be 9% of sales. Cookie duration is going to be 365 days. So that cookie duration is going to be an entire year, guys. We've all heard of this one. Yes, Under Armour. You can be an affiliate for Under Armour. The commission is 5% of sales, and the cookie duration is going to be 30 days. Now there's other programs out there. There are actually affiliate marketing programs for Pinterest, which are really pretty interesting. So if you're involved in Pinterest, you may want to check these out also. Interesting fact that 29% of people in the United States use Pinterest, and of that 93% said they use Pinterest to plan some of their shopping. So it's a great opportunity for you to make money too. Now the first thing you can do is through your pins on Pinterest, you can actually use your affiliate links from Amazon. I use Amazon links. Matter of fact, in this video right below in the description, you'll see some of my links to Amazon, but you can now also put them on Pinterest. Now when somebody clicks on your link in Pinterest and they go to Amazon, they don't necessarily have to buy that product. You're going to get a commission on any product that they buy. However, if they click on a product in Pinterest and they put it in their cart and they leave it there for up to 90 days, you'll get paid on that product too. Next one up is ShareASale. I use ShareASale myself. I make money on it all the time. All I had to do was list my website there, and when somebody sends traffic to my website, they have a link from ShareASale and they get credit for it. ShareASale actually does the payout for me. I don't have to do anything, and I just get extra business. So I would say check out ShareASale. You can also use SENDOWL. You can create online courses and ebooks and use SENDOWL to make pins to sell your products, which is a great way to make some extra money. Let's check out SHOPSTYLE Collective. This is a really cool site. This one here is like a fashion site. It has a ton of clothing, accessories, products to promote. They offer an easy user interface, reporting tools, helpful ways to build your audience. Now some of the links that I'm going to talk about could be affiliate links also below in my description, so I do want to tell you that up front. And basically the way this works, guys, is these affiliate programs are arrangements where an online merchant that's selling product pays an affiliate website a commission for any sales generated from their referral traffic. The affiliate website places affiliated links pointing to the merchant site to track transactions, and each agreement between an affiliate and a merchant features the commission structure and payout information. So make sure that you understand these agreements up front, but bottom line is it's a great way to make money. If people are going to buy these products anyhow, they're going to these sites, they're doing gaming, you know, they're buying, you know, VPNs, they're doing all this stuff, and why not make a commission off it? As a content creator, as a blogger, as somebody who, you know, makes videos, maybe you're an influencer of some sort, why not put some of these links in there and actually make some money? I would suggest having affiliate links in every single post you do. Have it out there. I know in my YouTube videos below in the description, you're always going to find affiliate links to Amazon and maybe some of my courses, and maybe there's an affiliate link to something else. Because if you know me and you trust me, you know I'm going to give you a good product. You know I'm not going to recommend anything that I wouldn't personally use or don't currently use. Like I use Kartra, which is one of the best marketing softwares. If you're an online marketer and you don't have Kartra, you're missing out. I highly recommend Kartra, and yes, I have an affiliate link. It's down in the description below. But the cool thing about this link is you can just click on it and you can go there and you can watch a video and you can see all the things that Kartra is going to do for you. And then if you like it, using my affiliate link, you can actually save money. You can get a trial for only $1. So you do want to check out Kartra, and it's in the description below. To end this series of 3 videos, there's 2 types of affiliate programs. There's the self-hosted program, and then there's the affiliate network. An example would be if you go to Dick's Sporting Goods and you sign up for their affiliate program, they're self-hosting that. They control that. They're going to pay you the commission. They're going to do everything. If you go to something like ShareASale, which I mentioned earlier, you're going to go there and you're going to sign up for ShareASale, and then within ShareASale there's going to be a bunch of companies in there, and you can generate links for all those different companies. So that's basically how it works. I hope this series has helped you out a lot. If it has, put a comment down there. Let me know what you thought of the series. You may still have some questions, and if you do, put that in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer those for you. Have you done affiliate marketing? Do you like affiliate marketing? What'd you think about it? What were your results? And also don't forget, after you put those comments down there, go back, if you haven't done so, watch video 1 and video 2. They're really crucial to learning this whole affiliate program thing. I think you'll really appreciate this video if you go back and watch the other 2 also, because they all kind of interwork together. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Remember, I've got a course down here you can get. It's a $97 course. It's absolutely free for a limited time. Grab that course. All you have to do is click and learn. If you haven't rung the bell, you got to do that, but you got to subscribe to ring the bell, because it won't appear until you subscribe. And then once you ring the bell, you want to turn on all notifications so you're notified every single time I do a new video or I go live. Don't forget to do that. Don't forget that thumbs up, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.